Today we're going to make a really cute card using the Sweet Citrus stamp set, and I'm going to pair it with the new Fresh as a Daisy Designer Series paper. Now this is a two-step stamp set, and what I did first was ink it up with my crushed curry ink to do the lemon rinds, and then I inked it up and stamped it off to do the inside of the lemons. Now I'm doing some leaves, and then we're going to put it through my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine to cut out the leaves. It's awesome that they have matching dies for that. So I did that for all three leaves, and well, all four leaves. And then this is a really cool hybrid embossing folder. And what it does is it cuts out the images at the same time as it embosses the images. Look at these amazing lemons now that they're embossed. There's so much texture there. So now I'm just using the paper, and I'm just layering it up. And the rest of this is just going to be fast and easy. I'm just putting on some ribbon, and then I'm layering the lemons all together, and it is just finished, and I absolutely love it. You can check out all the details on my website at madetocreatewithlisa.com.